How to change country on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can change your country on Binance. For that, you will have to open your web browser in your PC. This cannot be done with the help of your Binance mobile application. So do need to make sure that you are on Binance.com. You can use your mobile device though, but you will have to use the web browser. Now over here you just have to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Then hover over to your profile section and click on account. Now once you are in your Binance account, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on account and select identification. Over here you will be able to see your personal information including your address. So the interface will look something like this, where in the personal information you will be able to see your address. So click on the edit address option and in the address proof it will ask you to select the country of residence. So click on this drop down menu and select your country of residence or the country that you want to change now. Now you need to press continue in the bottom. Now here provide your residential address, postcode, city, state, etc. and in the country and region select the country that you want to change now and press continue. After that it will ask you to upload your document, so you need to make sure that you have the new document associated with the new country that you want to change, because you cannot change your country without the address proof. So you need to upload a proof by clicking on the upload button. You can upload the file from your computer or from your mobile device. Once done, press continue in the bottom. Now it will say that your application is under review, so you just have to wait until you receive an email, and in the email you will be able to see that your review is completed and you have successfully changed your country or your region on Binance. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.